A federal judge has dismissed Justin Baldoni's $400 million defamation and extortion countersuit against Blake Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, publicist Leslie Sloan, PR firm Vision PR, and the New York Times. The court also threw out a separate $250 million libel suit filed by Baldoni against the Times. Judge Louis J. Lyman ruled that the statements Lively made in her December 2024 California Civil Rights Department (CRD) complaint were legally protected. These statements, which formed the basis of Baldoni's defamation claim, were deemed privileged communications made during the course of an official harassment investigation. The court also found that Baldoni failed to prove the other parties involved acted with actual malice, meaning they either knowingly made false statements or recklessly disregarded the truth. Lively's legal team welcomed the ruling as a complete vindication. Her attorneys described Baldoni's countersuit as an abuse of the legal system and signaled their intention to pursue attorneys' fees, treble damages, and punitive damages. Despite the sweeping dismissal, the court left a narrow path forward for Baldoni. He was granted permission to amend and refile certain claims related to tortious interference and breach of implied covenant, with a deadline set for June 23, 2025. This development is part of a larger legal dispute that began when Lively filed a harassment complaint against Baldoni in late 2024. She accused him of unwanted physical contact and boundary violations during the filming of the romantic drama It Ends With Us. Baldoni responded with a countersuit in January 2025, accusing Lively, Reynolds, Sloan, and the Times of defamation and civil extortion. He claimed the allegations were false and part of a coordinated effort to damage his career. Baldoni also filed a separate libel suit against the New York Times, accusing the publication of misrepresenting his private communications and omitting context in a December 2024 article. That suit was also dismissed in this ruling. Earlier this month, Lively withdrew claims of intentional and negligent infliction of emotional distress from her original complaint, though she reserved the right to refile them in the future. The ruling reinforces protections for individuals who report misconduct in formal legal settings, while placing a higher burden of proof on public figures who allege defamation in response. For Baldoni, the decision significantly weakens his legal position and places pressure on him to reconsider how, or whether, to proceed with amended claims.